Just got home from picking up the kids. Friday pala today, guys. Not vlogging this morning kasi nanonood ako Netflix. I deserve it kasi sobrang busy namin for the past week. So, bubuksan natin yung binigay ni Mami. Let's open the box that she sent me. Ito yung binigay ni Mami na box. Ay, asa ko cellphone. Ng bagong package. Thank you so much po. I have no idea if
We know tears.
You already watched that one. If you already watched the Inherator, yun. Limin Hu yung main character, and then yung babae. Papanood ko yung babae, pero di ko siya ma-remember yung name. Si Limin Hu lang yung kakilala ko doon, guys. Mag-open. Nabaliktad, bigay mo sa'yo. Ma'am Ami, thank you so much again and again for sending this package.
Apit po si Kali sa vlog.
Apit si Kali sa vlog.
Down.
She wants to play. Ma'am Ami, thank you.
Alala ko kayo yan.
Bubble! Look, guys.
Look, awang bubbles. Dako kayo.
Bubbles lang pala makapahappy ng mga kissing na. Wala ulit to. Ano to? Oh, thank you so much. Na-happy na yung mga kids sa bubbles. Oh? Kasi ang laki naman talaga. Ay, ay, wow naman! Ma'am Ami, thank you so much! Binigyan niya ako ng magnet na New York. Yung nakalagay, look, pang-magnet yan sa ano? Sa,
Thank you.
Thank you. Pang-magnet yan sa... No, it's for the refrigerator. Thinking of you. Ah, Ma'am Ami, thank you. To Jen and family, this is the second part of our welcome gift. I hope your kids will love those two bags. Wow! What? The brown one is yours. Hope you guys like it.
I like the bubble.
God bless. With all our love. Ami and family. Ay, sobrang sweet naman ni Ma'am Ami. Thank you so much po. Thank you very, very much. Bubbles lang makapahappy ng mga kids. Padalhan nyo na lang ng bubbles yung mga bata. Mas happy sila sa bubbles. Tingnan nyo yan. Bubbles lang pala makapahappy ng bata.
Perfect ang heart, ma.
Thank you very much po. Thank you so much. Hello, wow. Ayun, nagilugan ang bubbles. Ang bubbles nagilugan, guys. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Thank you so much. Ah, wow. Pareha sila. Match mo to, ah. Isa din na bag. Ala. Hinala mo yung bag para sa laptop. Ala, babe. Nasa may bag para laptop. Yashli. To Yashli. Ito na yung ningon.
Thank you.
To Nicole. Ma'am Ami gave me this.
Napa, oh.
Nagtataka pa tong isa. Ba't ang babait daw ng mga subscribers? Hindi kasi siya sanay. Like, that's what Hala, babe! Babe! Yung bag. Kate Speed. Hala, thank you, Ma'am Ami. Hala,
wala ka. Gamit na lang ako, ma.
Nahulaw ko. Ma'am Ami, thank you so much po for this
like
bag
the
and
bubble.
gifts.
Ano daw?
She likes the bubble. Thank you. Wala na, Ma'am Ami. Doon na sila sa bubbles, masaya. Kakahiya naman. Ano yun ang binigay? Kasi yung nakaraan, guys, puro Lancome product. And then yung bag. And then things. Sabi ko, oh my gosh. Hindi ibig sabihin, hindi mabibili ni Bill sa akin yun. Pero hindi ko kasi siya priority. But then, I do appreciate. Yung thought, yung thought ba na like, hello, somebody was thinking about me, thinking about the kids. Super, ano lang ba, like, good sa feeling. Thank you so much. Ito yung perfume na binigay niya. Oh my God.
Hello, pink. Oh my God.
The Romance Collection. Rap.
Ma.
Lauren. I'm not sure if I say it correctly.
This is for favorite color. This is for Christmas. Kabalo, gusto kong favorite color.
Ala, you can wear it for Christmas. I was even thinking like, ala, gusto ko rin bumili ng kahit first time ba na luxury bag. Ay, hindi siya luxury kasi mamahal naman talaga yung luxury. Like yung signature bag na pwede kong mabili, like somehow yung sa Coach bag ba, yung ganon. Pero di ko pa siya, like pinag-isipan ko pa lang na, maybe one of these day bibili ako ng ganon na bag. Pero yung sa online kasi nakita ko like mga nasa $300, $350, yung mga ganon sabi ko, for just a bag nanghihinayang ako. And then dumating tong bag na to, guys. $359 for the bag. Oh my. Ipotos na ko ni Silopin kay mahadlo ko madaw.
Bim, 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 bim.
humidifier. Hindi ako. I think it's like humidifier yung bubbles na ano. Makikita ko yan sa mall eh. Hello, thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Hindi nakakahiya na. Ala, cute! Murag ba no? Bamboo. Ano ba?
Kisses. So that's kisses.
No, you know what is this?
Base.
No.
So that's not.
No.
Full.
Abalo ka.
Tinuod mo.
Pupoy ka ron. Ito bang Jenny in the bottle? Thank you. This is so cute. Nagana ni Oy. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Hello, you're so generous naman. God bless you, Ma'am Ami. Thank you so much for
Nakuingon sa
for
Edgar.
sending things. Actually, you don't have to. I mean, like, yung sinabi ni Bill sa akin na hindi naman kailangan yung mga subscriber magpadala ng things. Kaya nga na-shock ako because honestly, hindi ko alam. Si Ma'am Ami kasi nag-chat lang sa akin sa Messenger and then nag-send lang sa akin diretso ng tracking ba. Like, hi Jen, nagpapadala pala ako ng something sa'yo. I was like, hoy, nagpadala ka na sa akin once. That was actually more than enough. And then na-shock ako ba kasi nag-chat siya sa akin. Sabi niya, track mo na lang Jen. And then sa post, sa mailbox mo, tingnan mo lang doon. Track mo na lang siya. Wow. It's just so nice of Ma'am Ami to think about me lang ba. Like, imagine, hindi ko naman siya kilala. Imagine, we never meet in person. Like, hindi ko naman siya kadugo. Yung mga ganun ba. But, you know, thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, Mommy. So, I really appreciate what you've done to my family, my mom. You're really kind person and kind subscriber, and I really appreciate from what you guys done for my mom. Thank you for all the things you have gave to us. Really appreciate it. My mom appreciate it. Okay, that was just my sister. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wala talaga akong plan mag-vlog today, pero it's Labor Day! Labor Day here in the USA. So, it's holiday today here and walang pasok yung kids, no school. I woke up earlier, super late. Well, not really late, 7:30 in the morning. But yeah, usually I woke up at 5 during weekdays when girls had classes. But yes, I feel rested today because I don't have to wake up that early. But yeah, today is, yeah, it's holiday, Labor Day, and for what I know about holiday or Labor Day here in the USA, guys, they have so many perks or sales on a different stores here in the USA. So marami po silang mga naka-sale na mga stores. And actually, they started the sale a few days ago. That's why nga, Belle and we went to Furniture Row. I think that was, because I was not vlogging. Kasi yung isa kasi, minsan itong asawa ko talaga, my husband, just like, okay, let's go there. Agad-agad, pag nasa isip na niya, like, okay, let's go. Agad-agad yan, guys. So anyway, we went Saturday. At this furniture store, we got our table there, the dining set that we have. And also, I forgot to mention, I did vlog for the past few days na. We received yung kapalit. We received the, I'm talking about the dining bar, the new one.
Oh, the replacement.
The replacement, yeah, the replacement of our dining kasi, diba?
Because there was a part on it that was broke.
Yeah, it was
so they
broke.
had to order a new one. So they came over and
2
took
weeks.
the old one apart.
Yeah, 2 weeks, no? 2 weeks
Yeah.
it's here.
Well,
yeah.
they have to order it. You have to wait for it.
The replacement, which is the good one, and then it was funny because we had conversation after they delivered it because they're the one who assembled it ba. Sobrang bilis lang nila i-assemble, guys. Like, it's like less than 10 minutes. Tapos na. We got that dining set from Furniture Row. And then, last Saturday, Belle and he decided na i-purchase na namin yung bagong bed. Hey everyone! We are in Furniture Row. Oh, dito kami bumibili ng aming furniture. Yung aming dining. So, we plan on buying bed. Bed na naman. With frame yung plano namin, guys. Dami nila dito. Gosh, malulula ka sa ganda ng kanilang mga furniture.
You want this one?
That one is nice too.
That's too wide, I think.
That's not queen size. So, Labor Day nila guys, naka-sale yung iba dito. So, titingin kami. Kasi yung plano namin talaga, magpapalit kami ng bed frame. So, iba dito kasi pag bed frame, may naka-match na dresser. And then yung may mirror sa maganda. And then, meron silang bedside table din nakasama. Gosh, we choose this one. Ito na yung magiging new bed namin, guys. Yeah, I'm so excited. Ito, I think king size siya, but we will get the queen size kasi queen size yung aming bed. So we'll get this one, and then we will get the bedside table, and then we will get this too. Yes, I'm so happy. Finally. Tsaka, it's very worth it naman yung price niya here. Magpinapa na lang me for 3 months. Then, dresser with mirror. Had a bedside table. Dalawa yon. So, tig-isa kami ni Belle ng bedside table. And also, I forgot to mention, meron pala kami in order din dalawang bedside lamp. Kasi yung lamp ni Belle dito, sa thrift store lang ata nito binili. Yung blue na lamp dyan, guys. Parang thrift store. Babe, did you get your bedside lamp here in thrift store? This one? The lamp ba? Sa thrift store?
The lamp? Yeah, I found it at a thrift store. It's like $5 or something.
Hilig to sa ukay. Akala ko ako lang mahilig sa mga pre-lahom.
That's a really nice lamp, by the way.
Yeah, but it doesn't come with... If
you bought that new in a store, it'd be... Well, you saw the lamps?
Yeah.
$60, $70. Has a nice shade, nice design.
But what I said to them, we purchased also a new bedside lamp from Furniture.
Yeah, well, we just got matching lamps.
Yeah.
But you saw the price of those lamps, and not all that different than that lamp.
We both had conversation naman, like, we wanted to purchase something, hindi yung sobrang expensive. Kasi when you said, like, the best furniture or the best brand or company ba tawag niyan, meron kaming nakita doon, sabi niya for all the set siguro mag-expend kami ng mga around $10,000 US. And for me, oh my gosh, for that price, ay nako, iiyak ako. But then what we got on Saturday, a bed frame which is so nice because it has a drawer ba, so like there's drawer 3 each side, 3 left, 3 on the right side, and it's malaki or deep na drawer. And then we got the dresser with mirror. Isa pala yung price noon. I thought like if you're gonna get the dresser, the mirror is included. No, I'm so wrong, because if you're gonna buy the dresser for this price, iba yung price, and then they have a different price for the mirror also. And yeah, like I said, we got the bedside table, each of us, and then yung lamp nga. Kano yung ginastos namin ay good luck na lang. Guys, kahit naka-sale sila, kasi they have labor sale, mahal pa rin, to be honest. Like when we got home from that furniture, nagkwenta ako guys kung magkano yung ginastos namin. Nasabi ko, patay, makabili na ako ng lupa dito sa Pinas. But yeah, ganun po talaga sa US. We decided to purchase that one. That's because one of these days, I am sure that we are going to move to a new place. For now, we are living here at this place. My husband is like, nag-ano siya guys, he's measuring. Kaya right now, we are thinking about working on our floor. I already said it to the vlog before na plano talaga namin i-change, replace yung aming flooring. That's because yung floor kasi dito guys, orange. Brown? Orange? I don't know. Para siyang wood color. Orange, hindi ko na alam. Like, look naman. Orange, diba? Orange siya. So, we plan on replacing it wood.
So, natural wood color.
Natural wood color. So, we plan on replacing it with something gray. Not so dark. Basta something gray. Para mag-match siya sa aming paint. And also, because the bed set that we purchased will arrive or will be delivered within 68 weeks. I'm not sure. 68
weeks.
Yeah, 68 weeks. 60 ordinary pala. I don't know where is it originally, or tatrabahoin pa siguro yun or but yeah, 68 weeks which is around 2 months. So, diba? 2 months pa yung dadating. So, we need to like work on our bed room. Like what I said before, we have to paint our room same color, I think, sa girls room. Yung magiging wall natin, guys. But we're not gonna change yung sa aming door. We still have to keep it white. And also the trimming, white pa rin. But we will be like, yung ano lang, yung sa wall lang natin, we will be painting it with gray, something color. And also, yung ating ceiling, I have no idea kung ano ba tong ceiling na to. It looks white to me, but actually, na-touch namin to ng white. Yung sa labas, we touch it. Because when we painted saan ba ako nag-paint ng white? Oh yeah, sa kitchen side. And then, parang different white siya. There's something. Iba siyang white. Yung white kasi nagamit namin is ultra white, matte kasi yung kanyang results. So, I have no idea bakit iba siya. But, yeah, it looks white. And then, ito, kasi ito yung, hindi naman ako nagre-reklamo. But then, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi magmamatch yung ating hindi magmamatch yung ating bed, whatever, sa ating walls and cha-cha-cha. Kasi brown, or ano ba tawag niyan? Brown ba yan? O maroon? Ano bang kulay yan sa inyo, guys? Ito ang ating ceiling fan. Yan. So, sabi niya sa akin, pwede naman palitan natin ng white. So, may mabibili pa lang. Yung ganyan lang ba? Tanggalin lang yan. Tatanggalin lang and then papalitan natin ng white. Ayun. Dahan-dahan lang kami sa aming ano, guys. We are just like doing it slowly. So, yun. Hindi ko alam. Nakikwenta na to eh. Is that all? The flooring?
Yeah, now I just have to convert everything to inches.
Guys, can you read his writing?
And then add it up.
Mababasa.
That'll give me square footage.
Oh, ito pala yung bago naming dining table. Well, meron replacement. So, ganyan siya pag nag-extend. Nung nakaraan kasi ang nangyari is we just like attach this and this all together. So, parang malit. But this time, oh, diba? Mahaba na siya tingnan, guys. Kasi meron nga something in the center. Ito yung nasira. Yung sa center, nasa ilalim. Yeah, pero ngayon, we got the right one na. So, which is good. I'm really like so glad that we purchased it in Furniture Row because they're so good when it comes to like customer service. They're addressing the problem right away. Like, right away. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy. Mura po rin bata. Baka pagkit-kit, sag-asa na ipambutang na yung mga toys. Ng coffee. My husband's coffee. Ito pala yung ano ko, guys. Oh, gift ko niya nung nakaraan. Wala pa ako dito. Oh, diba? Ginawan ko ng cup si Belle sa Teespring. Kasi yung paborito niya. Tingnan yung asawa ko. Oh, diba? Sexy. Soko na siya ron. Are you sexy? Hindi mo dawat.
Depends on who you ask.
I'm your wife.
And whether or not they need glasses.
Ha ha ha. Anong oras na? 12:15, 12:20. Guys, another update pala sa ating kitchen. O, diba? Kitang-kita nyo yan. Guys, tingnan nyo. Sorry, we need to wash. But, yeah, nung nakaraan, diba? Last time, this one was open. Because we were working on the door. But now, we put it back. My husband actually put it back. Ayan, oh. Ayan. And then this side. This side. And then this side. But then, meron pa kaming 4 na hindi pa na. Tapos, i-paint. But, we're working on it. And we're gonna put it back when it's done. And tingnan nyo yung asawa ko. May binili siya sa akin. Guys. May siga siya. Ay, siga di ay. Ayun, oh. Binilhan niya ako ng light under the cabinet. He purchased this one in Amazon. Sobrang nice niya. What's amazing about this light? It's motion. Tama ba? Yeah. It's motion sensor. So, if aalis kami after like a minute or 2, mag-off na yung light. But when we, like, kakapasok lang, musiga agad. And then, what's nice about this is rechargeable. Tingnan nyo, maganda siya. Rechargeable and then magnetic. Magnet siya. Like, if we need to charge it, kasi low-bat, meron siya Type-C. O, Type-C. Yan, guys. O. Type-C. And then, dito magmamagnet. May nakalagay na magnet. Magnet siya. And then, yung light. So, meron siyang Tingnan niyo, imamagnet ko yan ha. Ayan ha. Ilagay ni husband kahapon, kagabi. Tapos i-magnet mo lang. O ngayon. O, diba? Which is really amazing. It's very nice kasi it added something on our kitchen. Pag may light ka kasi mas more on. Gaganda yung ano ba, yung lighting. Ang tagal na namin tong plan. We planned this for a long time. Like, lagyan kaya natin ng light under the cabinet para mas magmukhang, ano naman, like, maganda ba? But then, ito yung iniisip ko. Kasi nga, green na green talaga yung tiles na to, guys. Oh, baka papalitan. Papalitan ba natin? Hindi ko alam. Pero ito, we plan talaga na ito, i-change namin. This one. Papalitan talaga namin kasi hindi na talaga siya match sa ating walls. But yeah, I'm so happy with the cabineting. As you can see, sobrang linis, diba? Nung nakaraan, first day ko dito, when we got here for the first time, it's very brown. Super brown. Like, brown talaga. But now, it's white, which is really good. What? Ang daming nilista. Yeah, we're gonna get plank daw para sa aming floor. Kita niyo yung floor namin, guys. Anong kulay yan? Natural, neutral, whatever. Natural color. But we are going to use the gray, light gray color. And yeah, change natin siya. Gaganda to lalo pagpapalitan natin ng color. We're going to Lowe's. Kasi bibili na namin yung na-choose namin na color ng floor, guys. And Belle says to me, we needed 26 boxes of that color. So, hindi ko alam ilang piraso. Bumalik kami ng bahay kasi nakalimutan namin yung lista niya. Yung list niya napakaadami. Charot! Charot! Including the other side. This one.
No, that's just measurements.
Measurement. May nakita na naman ito isa. Oh, may grills dyan, guys. Naka-sale. $199 lang. We are in Lowe's already. Naka-sale din.
79 cents a square foot.
So, yeah, here's your paper. Here's your list. Hala guys, ang dami nilang sale dito. Promise, yung labor talaga. Labor Day sale. Crazy. In the US, ang laki ng bawas. Just for the labor. Labor Day. Hala, oh. This one, babe, it will fit. No. Magkano na lang yan? Oh, meron na siyang $750 off. Wala dito yung gusto ko eh. Yung pinuntahan namin noon, bumili kaming laptop. Doon yung gusto ko. Kasi it has a screen. Nakikita ko yung YouTube. Where? Okay. For non-member, babe. For a member,
sure
139. You're sure you're a member? Na nakakita siya ng ano. Yeah, we're good.
Thank you.
Uy, ito kasi yung gusto niya talaga, guys. Na malaki talaga yung aming freezer para ba makapag-stock kami ng maraming meat. And then, kailangan namin bilhan ng bagong refrigerator yung bahay. Tingnan niyo, dalawang door siya. What's the brand? Hisense. How do you say that? Hisense? Hisense. Yan yung brand niya. Yung price for now, non-member, ito yung price. Pag member, ito yung price. But originally, it is
$28.99.
Yan yung price niya originally. So, naka-labor sale sila today. $15 off. Imagine yung presyo. What is this, babe? For the water? An ice? Ito yung gusto ko. Oh, charot! Yan yung gusto ko pag knock-knock mo ay knock-knock. Oh, patay. Yung pinunta namin dito is yung sa floor lang. Pero nakakita ng ads. Sorry. Pero hindi kami naghahanap ng sobrang luxury when it comes to refrigerator kasi pag we plan on like moving out or changing house, iiwan din naman yung refrigerator. So, hindi namin kailangan bumili ng sobrang mahal na refrigerator or lutuan or dishwashing stuff. Yun lang yung sa bedroom namin guys, sa bed frame and everything kasi madadala namin yun pag naglilipat kami. But this, no, we cannot take it with us. So if we're gonna like change, replace our mga ganito, ay bili lang kami ng yung di mahal. Well, I like that color. Nakakainis naman to si Beyonce. Ba't ka kumakanta dyan? Makapiright ako. Go baby. You can do this. Ang dami na nito. This one for underline. Ay, ambot. Oy, siya lang nakaalam nito guys.